Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are going to start tutorial on Git, okay? And we are going to see this topic, what is Git basic, branching, remote repositories and collaborative development and advanced topic as well, okay? So before going ahead, let's discuss what is Git, okay? So Git is a distributed version control system, okay, that help developer to track their changes and collaborate with others, okay. So it allow multiple developer to work on the same project simultaneously and manage different version of the code and easily merge changes. Okay, so let me show you the advantage of Git, why we need to use Git. First thing, it's open source. We don't have to pay any money for that if we are using Git. Okay, so it's open source, so it's totally free, and you can see speed, security, distributed data assurance, trendy branching, integrity, clean history, staging area. So these are the advantage of Git. So let's go here. So it's a distributed version control system, means you can write your different version of your application and you can manage your application version using Git. Okay, so and it's also like help developer to work together. So suppose if you have 50 developer working on a same project, okay, and if you have like centralized repository somewhere, then that developer can just clone the repo and they can have a copy of that exact repository and the application what you have. So they can have an exact copy of that and they can write their code and they can push it. Okay, so suppose like if you have 50 developer, okay, then they will be, the 50 developer will be working on different functionality and they are developing the 50 different functionality for the application. Okay, so not everybody will work on the same functionality, right? Like if you have application, then developer 1 will be working on like how to log into that specific application, and developer 2 will be working on how to like schedule meeting or something like that. So they will be working. Suppose if your application is like shopping application, then the developer 2 will be working on how to like visualize the, when after logging, how to visualize dashboard will look like. Okay, and developer third will be working on how to add product in cart, and developer 4 or 5 will be working on how to like proceed the payment, and developer 6 will be working on payment gateway. Okay, so this, and they all can, whenever think they are done with the writing their code for the specific functionality, they will just create one new branch and they can push their code to that specific branch in the centralized repository. And then after that, reviewer will review the code, and then after that, after reviewing, a developer or like QA or a DevOps engineer will merge that code to the specific branch. If it's for dev, then it will merge into the dev master branch. Okay, so that functionality can be implemented this way. So like Git is like local repository managing system. You can manage your local repository, you can clone it using Git, and you can write your code and you can push in that code to centralized repository. Okay, so I hope you understand what is Git here. Okay, so now let's go back to the go to the second point. Okay, so we are going to discuss now Git basics. So to start using a Git in your project, you need to initialize a Git repository. So let me go back to the here and go back here. So let me create one new file here. Okay, so git tutorial, let me create it and open in VS Code. Okay, now I have created one folder and I have opened in VS Code. Now let me write something in this folder. Okay, let me create one file here. So I am just going to write anything, just random texts. So I am done writing with the code, suppose. Okay, and how we can initialize it? We have saved it. Just open your terminal and run git init. So our repository got like initialized, and it's suggesting like we have to use git branch -m. Okay, and our branch is master. So our repository got initialized. How we can know it? We can check by git status. Okay, so we are writing testing.txt. okay, node commit add untracked file git add. So whenever we want to add this file, what command we have to run? We have to run git add dot if you want to add all the file. Okay, so now run git status. So you can see one new file testing.txt, right? So there is no commit yet, as you can see here, right? On branch master we are. So let's go back to the document. Okay, so working directory, so we have already used git init. Okay, and suppose if you want to create other branch, then we will be discussing in the another video. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video we will be talking about git workflow. Okay, I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.